Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test your website on various devices. At the top of the editor, you're going to see the desktop view, tablet view, and mobile view. You can also click on preview, and you can click between the different views, or you can see them all side by side. Let's go back to the editor. In the editor, I'm going to click on the tablet view. And as I scroll down, I want to check to make sure that everything looks correct on the tablet. Let's say that I do not want a specific section to appear in the tablet, but I would like it to appear on the desktop. I simply go to that row that I want to hide, click on the row button, hover over Hide on Device, and I'm going to hide it on tablet. If I don't want it to appear on the mobile, I should hide it on the mobile first, then hide it on tablet, and you'll see that that section is now gone. If I go back to the desktop view and scroll down, you'll see the section is still here. Let's go to mobile view, and maybe on the mobile view, I do not want this top section or this top row. Again, I would click on row, hide on, and I can hide on mobile. But actually in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this row and paste it. Now you're going to see I have two of the same rows. So what I want to do is hide this row on the desktop and hide it on the tablet. Then I'm going to go to the top one and I'm going to hide this on the mobile. So now I can adjust the size of this and color. I'll do the same with this one. I'm just going to drop this down to 14. So you see it's much smaller here on the mobile, and I'm going to drop this logo size down some. And now when I go to the tablet, because I copied that row and only made it visible on the mobile, it does not affect those sections on the desktop or the tablet. So again, we'll do that again. Let's go down to this section here. I'm going to take and copy that row, click the row again, and I'm going to paste it. So now you see I have two of the same rows. Let's take a look at the tablet. You should see two of those sections. Same thing on the desktop. The reason that we see two of these is because I have not hidden them yet. So I'm going to hide, so select row, hide on. I'm going to hide this row on the tablet and the desktop. You see it's now gone. So when I go to tablet, I should just see one. Now I can go to the mobile view or I can go to the desktop view. It does not matter. And I'm going to hide this section on mobile. So now I have one section here. So if I'm going to do a test here. I'm going to put a 1 there and save. Let's see if it shows up on the tablet. It would not show up because this is a whole different row. I've made a copy of this row and hid it from the appropriate views. So now I can go back on the mobile and change the size, and it will not affect the rest of the views. So you can do that for any row, any button, any video. You can hide certain portions on any device. So we'll do this last section. So we're going to take the row, copy it, click row again, and paste. So now I have 2 of them. I'm going to take the bottom one. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to hide on the desktop and the tablet. And then I'm going to go up and I'm going to hide this one on the mobile. So now I only have 1. So now what I'd like to do is I'd like to stretch this and now when I go to the tablet and go to the bottom, you'll see it didn't mess with this at all. Same thing with the desktop. While I'm here, I'm going to clean this up. I don't need that section. And let's make sure it's not on the tablet as well. Nope. And let's make sure mobile's good. It's all good. So to keep moving on, now this is really hard to see, and this image, there's actually no image here. So we want to replace that, and we would find our logo and drop that in. I can also click on the header, edit the design, and I can change the layout on just the mobile, and you'll see it does not change the header on the tablet. I have to adjust that separately. And same is true for the desktop. So each of the different views or devices have their own header that does not affect the other. And if I scroll down now, I can change the color of this header. So this concludes my overview video on how to optimize your website on desktop, tablet, and mobile. You have to go through each one of the devices in each page and check to make sure that it's displaying the way you would like it to display on those devices. Thank you for watching.